Everyone, Nancy from I Treasure Home, and welcome back to the channel. So this is my entry video for the watermelon radish. So this is from Mary's Own Seeds that Joe sent from Grow Big TV. So I've never seen a watermelon radish, so I'm excited to grow these, and we're going to see what we can grow this year. So here's my entry video. Y'all haven't, like, subscribe, ring that bell for notification, check down the links down below, and we'll see you next time on I Treasure Home.